Hello, everyone. I'm Everton de Oliveira from the Groundwater Project. And here we have Imran Aziz Tunio. He's from Pakistan. He gave us the honor to participate in this interview. We're going to talk a little bit about groundwater of Pakistan, what he does in groundwater, and how he managed to get to us. Okay? So nice to meet you, Imran. You're very welcome. It's a pleasure having you here today.
Thank you very much. It is great honor to be here. It is indeed privilege to represent from Pakistan.
Yes, thank you. We appreciate that. Well, uh, please tell us a little bit about yourself.
So my name is Imran and I am belong to Sindh province, Pakistan. Basically, I am a civil engineer and graduated in 2002 from Mehran University of Engineering and Technology, Jamshoro. My master focusing in hydraulics and irrigation engineering. I have earned several certificates in advanced courses in advanced hydraulic modeling using HECRAS, remote sensing and GIS application in groundwater modeling and flood modeling, sediment transport, flood forecasting, and flood hazard management. During my professional career from 2002 to till to date, I have gotten more than 19 years of professional experience in the field of civil engineering and environmental engineering, integrated water resources management, ground water investigations and assessment, canal irrigation and drainage engineering, flood management, and water accounting, demand and distribution, GIS analysis development, hydrologic and hydraulic modeling in different capacities at various organizations funded by local and international donors, including IDA, World Bank, Asian Development Bank, and Department for International Development, UK. I started my engineering career in the water sector and was joined as a sub-engineer position in agriculture department. After that, I joined consultant company as a junior engineer in rehabilitation project of irrigation and drainage system. Then after I joined Mott McDonald Consultant Company as a site inspector in drainage project. So namely extension of right bank outfall drainage from 7 to C. After that, I joined the government entity as an assistant engineer to implement World Bank funded water sector improvement project. And I worked about 5 years in the same organization at different designations such as inspector works, assistant director engineering, GIS specialist, and hydrologist. After that, I joined new assignment in Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations as an irrigation engineer in disaster preparedness and response unit. So project involved in support for recovery of agriculture-based livelihood of vulnerable farmers community affected by 2012 floods of Sindh and Balochistan province in Pakistan, funded by Department of International Development, UK. After completing this project, I joined as a Deputy Director of Hydrology and GIS in a newly established government entity, Project Management Office under Irrigation Department. That involved exploration of groundwater along Paleo Channel. So after that, at present, I am working as a technical officer in the World Bank funded Sindh Barrages Improvement Project under Irrigation Department. The development objective of Sindh Barrages Improvement Project are to safeguard the reliable supply of water through rehabilitation of Gudu and Sakkar barrages and improvement of operation and maintenance capacity of the irrigation department. After completing of this project, 0.7 million farmers, households, and 3 million acre agricultural land will be get reliable irrigation water. So this is, I summarize my experience.
Quite an accomplishment. Very good work in life. So Pakistan is a huge country, just like Brazil. I'm from Brazil. You have a huge population, just like we do. All right. So how is groundwater important for the population of Pakistan?
Because of the groundwater in Pakistan is highly contaminated and unsafe for drinking purpose, because most of the contaminant exceed their standard limit based on World Health Organization. Human activities are the major source of the poor groundwater quality, such as the improper disposal of domestic and industrial waste. Worryingly, groundwater reserves in Pakistan are fast being depleted, with some areas reporting a 2 to 3 meters decline per year. The Indus Basin aquifer from which Pakistan extracts in groundwater reserve has been ranked as the second most overstressed aquifer in the world. So that is why I want to participate in this project.
That's quite important. Yeah, we are aware of the problems of the groundwater in Pakistan. How is the hydrogeology developed in Pakistan? You have many hydrogeologists. What is the structure in general? because some countries are highly dependent, so you have more hydrogeologists than others. For example, we talk to people in Denmark, so they use mostly groundwater. What about Pakistan?
This is a very minimum community, because this field is not full awareness of doing. Hydrologist is here. Hydrologist, geologist is a very less as compared to hydrologist.
Okay, okay. So how did you get to know the Groundwater Project? Because you're the first person to register from Pakistan in our website.
So because of my being an irrigation engineer and researcher in the field of water resources, I search groundwater material and books to learning new things and research on advanced groundwater management tools and techniques. At present, I am working on the interpretation of groundwater isotope analysis reports. So I need a material regarding an interpretation of oxygen and hydrogen isotope values. In this regard, I need some research paper through different websites. As I want to work on groundwater, the impact of this research is huge, and that keeps me motivated. Also, the field is always evolving, providing new challenges, keep me growing professionally. The basic thing which motivated me to participate in this project is the requirement of books for research work regarding groundwater isotopes. I have seen a required book under this project and hope that will be available soon. The name of required book is Environmental Isotope as an Indicator of Water Origin, Age and Hydrogeologic Process. Maybe coming soon in under your groundwater project. I love the work, and it is what I want to continue doing throughout my career. I don't have a personal reason. It is just only for professional reasons. So the basic reason for the participation in the groundwater project is to get knowledge and downloading groundwater educational material and books free of charge. This is a reason.
Our aim is to distribute free books so we can actually enlarge the groundwater community and more people can learn about groundwater. The book
Exactly.
about isotope is coming along. You will get it pretty soon. I guess early next year, I guess, or the end of this year, I hope. We would like you to, if you could, tell your friends about our project. That's very welcome, because we need the community, the people from Pakistan to learn, because we have free material to distribute. And if you have information to contribute about hydrogeology in Pakistan and things like that would be also very welcome. Connection to the Geological Survey of Pakistan would be very good too for us.
Definitely, I will, through different universities, through different departments, geological departments is here, and different universities already working on the hydrogeology exercises and assignments. So I will, inshallah.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So would you like to add something else? Our time is short here, please.
Groundwater in Pakistan is a very precious resources, but already is a very overloaded because of over pumping and contamination is so that's why the resources already is huge. So I think this groundwater project is very important to understand groundwater protection and circulation of new knowledge and technologies regarding modern development in groundwater around the globe to ensure the sustainable management and protection of groundwater. This initiative will be very beneficial for the sustainable development of groundwater resources, not only for a single country, but will be beneficial for the entire world. Definitely, that will meet the educational needs of the student and researcher. Therefore, this concept will be one of the core educational initiatives to address many of the problems associated with the sustainable groundwater management, and like groundwater depletion and other challenges. Indeed, the groundwater project will create sustainability that will presumably take on greater importance on the world wants to save the limited groundwater resources and minimize the negative impact of overexploitation and excessively contamination of the groundwater. Definitely, sustainable development of the groundwater will not only resolve the environmental issue, but economic, social, tradition, and cultural issue as well. Now I am going to conclude by congratulating to Dr. John Cherry, project leader and steering committee chair of the Groundwater Project, and you also, Dr. Everton D. Oliveira, honorable members of steering committee, honorable members of advisory committee, and board of director on the Nobel Project. And thank you for providing this great opportunity.
Thank you very much. That was very nice. Well, it was a pleasure talking to you. Your words were very
Thank you.
nice, very kind, and
Thank you very
we'll
much.
be in touch.
मां ग्राउंड वाटर प्रोजेक्ट में कमु कंदो आहियां